Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate Nutella. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of delicious Nutella and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor. Grab 1 cup of your favorite milk. Whole milk works best for a creamy texture. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten things up, and just a tiny pinch of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. Getting everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create our rich chocolate base. In a small saucepan, combine your 2 tablespoons of Nutella, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that pinch of salt. Next, pour in about 1/4 cup of your milk. This small amount helps to dissolve everything properly. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until you have a smooth, thick paste. This step is crucial for preventing lumps and ensuring a perfectly blended hot chocolate. With your chocolate paste ready, it's time to add the rest of the milk. Gradually pour in the remaining 3/4 cup of milk, stirring continuously. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. Keep stirring gently to ensure even heating and prevent sticking. It's important not to let it boil. Just heat until hot and steamy. Once it reaches that perfect temperature, remove it from the heat and get ready to enjoy your delicious creation. Now for the fun part, customizing your delicious hot chocolate Nutella. Feel free to top it with a generous dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or even a fancy chocolate drizzle. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract while it's heating. These small additions can truly elevate your drink. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.